Okay, so I'm back. Gotta come get cash. Knocked on the door, walked in. Cute. Yep, I'm not bald-headed, bitch, because I'm here. About to get cash. Handed her the wig. She's like, okay, let me go do this, let me go do that. Laid it down, braided me up, you know what I'm saying? Just looking cute in this picture. Oh, baby, look at the chair. Major upgrade. So she started applying the Erica J glue to get it down, you know, melting it, put the little brown tabs to mark for the lace, you know, when she puts the wig on. Yeah, that's how she does it. Her technique is unmatched. She got to stay on point. So she's like, Jackie, stop fucking moving. Fix your forehead. We don't want no crinkles and wrinkles, you know what I'm saying? So I had to straighten up, look at her eyes and stuff, you know, make sure I don't get fucked up. You know, so the little brown tabs underneath there, and she's laying it on the other side, you know, about to be cute, real cute this summer, right? So then, yep, there you go. That one side is done. Now she got to erase the little miracle tabs, you know. Okay, so this side right here with lace, this side without lace, erasing the little miracle tabs, you know what I'm saying? Yep, we cute. Don't hate. And there we go. Fine as hell. 56 and bomb. Summer, here we come.